How to customize colors of your Start menu and taskbar in Windows. So if you want to change the color of the Start menu, which is this area, and the taskbar, which is the bottom section here, you can right click on the desktop and head over to Personalize. On the left panel, you'll see an option for color. Now if you scroll down, you'll see different colors that you can choose for your Start menu and taskbar. Pick a color that you like. You can also check automatically pick an accent color from a background. If you check this, it will automatically pick a color and it will change it frequently. You can also make a custom color by selecting the color manually. You can also switch between the dark and light theme. If you click on this drop down here, you can choose between light and dark. Now if you scroll down, you can see a box where you can check Start Taskbar and Action Center. As soon as you tick it, you'll see that the colors will start to change. You can also do it for the title bar and the Windows border. Now if you head over to the sub menu, you can see the color has also been applied. So that's how you can customize colors on the Start menu and the taskbar in Windows.